You don't need to spend thousands on AI tools. Today, I'm revealing the best free AI tools that rival premium options, and exactly when paid tools are worth the investment. Free AI tools are game changers for creators and freelancers. They offer professional-grade features without breaking the budget. But here's the catch. Not all free tools are created equal. Some have limited features, watermarks, or usage caps. Understanding the difference between free and paid options helps you choose smartly for your workflow. ChatGPT free tier is perfect for content writing and brainstorming. Canva's free version handles stunning graphics. Deep Dream creates unique AI art. Synthesia has a free plan for video generation, and Descript's free tier edits videos like a pro. These tools deliver serious value without premium subscriptions. Test them all to find your favorites. Go paid when free limits hurt your workflow? Need unlimited API calls? Claude Pro pays off? Require commercial rights and no watermarks? Upgrade. Building a client-facing business? Paid reliability matters. Premium tiers offer priority support, advanced features, and scalability. Calculate your time savings. If a paid tool saves 5 hours weekly, it's worth the cost. Start free, scale smart. Use free tools to test before committing money. Stack complementary free tools for powerful results. Mix free and paid strategically. Free tools excel at ideation and drafts. Paid tools shine for production and scaling. This hybrid approach maximizes ROI while keeping. Drop a comment. What's your favorite free AI tool? Hit subscribe for more practical AI reviews and tutorials every week.